No. We're done in Matakana. We're now off to Auckland, where I'm gonna do the very, very silly thing today with my mum.
Ja nie idę nigdzie. I'm not going anywhere. Staying with Lumi. Lumi, ty będziesz patrzeć.
I'm gonna be going.
You're gonna be watching Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
Yes, way.
Stay with us. We've just stopped. We found some satellite dishes. They're everywhere. I think this is called Star Valley. We're gonna have to Google it and have a look. And there's sheep everywhere. Finally we see sheep in New Zealand. Barbara! Basil! That was really cool, it started moving. I've never seen anything like that. Bah! 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 So we just found Mahurangi National Park, Regional Park, on the
Be careful.
on the way to Auckland. This is stunning. That's not good. Oh yeah. Wow. That water is so blue. We've arrived in Auckland after an hour and a half driving and checking out the sights, and now we're in our apartment. Do you want to give
Welcome
it a
to
tour?
the apartment.
Yes.
The
Give me a tour.
internet is out because of you.
Okay. It'll work. Keep going. Give us a tour.
Welcome.
Anyway. Bedroom 1, we'll be sleeping in the closet. Watch out for the monsters under the bed. Bedroom 2. I'm sleeping on the couch, but the view is of the harbour. Great view. We've got the Navy over there. It's funny, Woolworths in New Zealand is called Countdown. Don't know why, but obviously company sort of thing. Next, I'm doing the Sky Tower jump, but that's for the next vlog. Right, Lemmy?
Yeah.
Next vlog, I jump off the Sky Tower. My mum loves it. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next vlog.